Sobrang pinag-usapan nga sa social media, even ang mga news ay laman ang naging wedding ni Claudia. Matapos nga ang himutok ng butse ng kanyang ama na sagad sa buto, grabe kayo, nabudol nyo ko. Ang father of the bride naging visitor, ang galing nyo. Yan nga ang himutok ni Dennis Padilla. At hindi lang yan dahil nag-comment pa siya sa isang ads na post ni Julia Barreto sa Instagram na kapal nito na deleted na nga ang nasabing mga mensahe. Ganun pa man, ito ay na-screenshot na ng ilang mga netizen. But anyway, sa naging interview ni OG Diaz kay Dennis Padilla, ibinahagi nito na nakikita niya daw sa mata ni Claudia na hinahanap niya ito habang ito ay naglalakad sa aisle. Sino nga ba ang may problema? At sino ang hindi nagpapalakad o nais na makasama si Dennis sa nasabi nga pong paghatid ni Claudia sa altar na makikita ngang si Marjorie Barreto. Anyway, binulgar din ni Dennis Padilla na nag-message si Claudine kay Marjorie pero hindi nito minessage back o nag-reply si Marjorie. At bagkos ay binlock pa raw nito si Claudine. Narito po ang naging pahayag at kwento
message mo sa
ni
mga
Dennis.
anak mo.
Wala na. I'm sorry, wala na.
Na ano to, napagod ka na?
Napagod na? Napagod na? I thought hindi mapapagod. Akala ko hindi eh. Pagod na.
Nag-usap ba kayo ni Claudine?
Tumawag siya kagabi sa akin. Kasi nag-usap din pala siya. She had I think 2 Viber messages to Marjorie. Nag-usap siya na baka pwede naman ako umaten. Bibigyan ako ng gift ko kay Claudia. Tapos parang pangatlong message niya, binura. Tapos binlock na siya. So hindi na pumasok yung messages niya. Kaya iyak siya ng iyak nung gabi. Ina, parang hihimatay yun. Sobra.
So hindi sila okay ni Marjorie?
Pag ganun ang pag-aunawa ko, nakikiusap sa mga invite eh. Kaya nga ako, sinabi ko sa kanya, kahit hindi ka invite, pumunta ka, tatabihan kita.
Even Gretchen?
Wala, hindi rin invited dahil kera sila. Alam ko si Claudia, ayaw niya yung nangyari. Alam ko. Napipil ko, ayaw niya yung nangyari. Gusto niya akong umupo doon eh. Gusto niya akong kasama maghatid sa kanya. I can see it in her eyes eh. Nararamdaman ko kahapon eh. Pagharap niya sa mga tao, hinahanap niya ako. Wala ka nang babalikan eh. Nang babalikan mo na.
Samantala, nagkaroon naman ng mensahe ang mga netizen or iba't ibang opinion hinggil dito. Mula kay Prince Umpad, aniya, to the father of the bride, you were invited, that should have been enough. Your daughter gave you a seat at her wedding despite the distance, despite the years, she still let you in. That was her way of showing respect. But instead of holding that moment with grace, you chose to speak out, not to her, not in private, but to everyone else. You said you felt disrespected, but respect isn't earned through noise. The wedding wasn't about you, it was her day, her moment. You were there, that was already more than some fathers get. You could stay quiet. You could have made it about her. But you didn't. She gave you a chance. You turned it into a sin. That's not what fathers do. Respect cannot be demanded. It is earned. Samantala, say naman ng isang netizen, sometimes people respect is earned, but they forget that some wounds run deeper than pride. A father may not have been perfect, and a daughter may carry years of silence, but when she invites him to her wedding and he realizes he won't be the one walking her down the aisle, the pain is real. Not because he wanted the spotlight, but because deep down, he hoped for a moment of healing. Empathy doesn't take sides, it simply tries to understand both hearts. Being kind is greater than being right. Forgiveness isn't something we earn, it's something freely given. And if you think about it, the greatest act of love in history wasn't done for those who deserve it. It was done for those who didn't. That kind of love, that kind of grace, changes everything. Those nail-pierced hands didn't reach out because we were worthy. They reached out because love chose us anyway. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images and videos are credited to the rightful owners OG Diaz YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.